how to check nearby departures on transit app. Hello friends, welcome to today's tutorial. In this tutorial I will show you how you can check nearby departures on transit application, and here is how to go about it. The first step is to open your mobile phone and then log in into your transit application. Ensure you're opening your transit application on your device, and your device must be, if Android, must be 0.0 at least, or for iOS it must be 15 or later. So after you've clicked on the app, you'd wait for it to load. So once that's loaded, you'll be brought to the home page where you would see a map with your location and a list of nearby transit lines along with their next departure times. Now, the reason my own screen is this way without much lines is because I am currently in an unsupported region. So I'll just explain what you're going to do from here. So once you can see your location and then with a little of next nearby transit lines, the next thing to do is to check out the next departure lines next to these transit lines. So on your map you would see all of this, and then the next thing to do is to switch the direction for any line in the list. To do this, simply swipe left or right on the line depending on the departure line they are looking for. Alright, so on this screen the real-time departure are marked with the radio waves, indicating when the bus or the train is actually arriving. Alright, so once you see this, tap any line to view later departure, then find the nearest stop and track your bus or train. And then from there, and you must note that station entrances are only shown in selected or specific cities. And then once you're done, search for your destination, press on the result, tap the three dots, and then tap show nearby lines, and this will move your location on the map to the destination. Okay, so this is how to do it. Just follow the lines on the map that you would see, tap on the one, and then you'll be given further information on the later departure of the bus or train, and from there you can track it if you so desire. So this is how you can check nearby departures on transit app. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.